Good morning.
Hey y'all, welcome back to itslaroneppl, and it's day 29, and I couldn't style my hair at home because I was hella late for work this morning, so I'm gonna do it here on my lunch break. It's a really simple style, trying to keep my curls, but you see them? Be jealous. I know. Day what? 4, 5, and these things are still intact. Listen to me when I tell you my secrets, people. So pretty much I'm just gonna kind of roll the hair here, and then that's my mom, and then wrap it around in a ponytail. And yeah, so I'm gonna fast forward through all that, but because it's just a simple roll in a ponytail, yeah.